Oh no. Well, okay, let me start over. Okay, so I recently took my Fiat. I've had this 2012 Fiat 500. I've had it already since I bought it brand new. I've got those LEDs down there. I decided to do a little bit of customization recently and make my car look better, sound better. And so I've done a little work, not a whole lot, but after those LEDs, I did a little bit of work inside here. I also put a little simulated carbon fiber. This is really a vinyl, and I went ahead and cut it to conform to the shape of this dashboard right here. It's not perfect, but at least it looks good. Gives it a little bit of a different look. And I've also decided to recently take out the original exhaust because I wanted to give it a little bit of a grunt, and it actually sounds good. I didn't think this little car would sound as good as it does now. It's not a Mustang or anything like that, but I'm not shooting for that much performance. So I went ahead and took the original exhaust and cut that much off of it. And then what I did was I installed a straight pipe. Here it is right there. That's the tip of it, and you can hear how it sounds. This is without idling it. So here it is. All I have is just a little tip right here. It's a little performance tip right here in black. I went ahead and put, it's held by that clamp right there and another one right over there. That's all that I needed to do. And then I hung it up to the original hanger right up there. And then let's see how it sounds. So that's it right there.